took us about, what, an hour on the ferry ride or so from Split?
Yeah.
And it's so beautiful here. It's a really cute town. Ryan, first impressions?
I like this city. It's very nice.
It's a beautiful day too. The sky is so pretty. This is our view. There's mountains in the back.
It's nice and windy.
Yeah, the breeze is nice. But look at that thing over there. It looks like a bell tower.
Yeah, once
See
we
it?
found out that our tour was going to be on one of these guys, we decided not to do it.
Oh yeah.
It's not these, it's going to be much better.
We were supposed to do a boat tour tomorrow to see the blue caves and the green caves, but we canceled it. We canceled the tour because first, I'm kind of tired and I want to take it easy and chill. Second, Ryan's really scared that he's going to get boat sick.
Legitimate fear.
Third, we've done a blue cave tour or blue grotto in Capri.
Free.
So we've seen it once. Something similar. So we made an executive decision over lunch to cancel the tour. Instead, tomorrow we're just going to take it super chill, go to the pool, go to the beach, and lie around. But this water, it's so pretty. That water.
Damn, I can't believe that's the sea.
I know. Would you like dessert or a drink, or just head back to the hotel and get a drink there?
Let's get a drink there.
Okay. It looked like they had a pool bar.
Yeah, that was in the water.
Ooh. There's like that castle-looking thing on top of the hill.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're gonna get really nice views from there. This is our hotel called Amphora Hotel. Kids pool here. You can't see, but there's a pool bar somewhere up there. There's also a water slide, which might be kind of fun. And this side is the beach area. So this is our bed, and that's our view. We're gonna go over there to grab a drink. Swim over. I got an Aperol Frosé. Ryan, what did you get?
A cucumber cooler.
We got our drink.
That's good. Wow, we got it.
We're at the edge of the pool, enjoying our drinks.
We are in
Hvar, Croatia.
Hvar.
Chilling
Hvar.
at our hotel. This is a cool pool. Got some drinks.
Sparkling water. The body's a temple.
I got frozen Aperol Spritz, and it's really good.
Cucumber cooler. As masculine as it gets.
Hello! We are just chilling by the pool. It's really nice. This is a nice, relaxing holiday. We spent a few hours at the hotel pool,
Yep.
drinking and swimming and sunbathing. And Ryan got pretty drunk. No surprise! And we got changed and we're now walking towards dinner. We are going to go to this restaurant named Dalmatino.
Dalmatino. That was more Italian.
Yeah. But it had a lot of good reviews, so hopefully the food is great. This view will never get old.
So nice.
We are at dinner and this is on the house to start. This is, what did they say it was?
Some sort of fruit.
Carob? Yeah, carob. It's some sort of fruit that's similar to fig or dates and it's supposed to be sweet. And this is a drink made out of it.
I won't mind it.
It was fine, it didn't taste like much. I think that's alcoholic. That's strong.
Cheers, love. Would you like some shrimp?
Ryan got a surf and turf. Look at that scampi. I feel like the scampi's flexing.
Oh yeah.
Fried potatoes. And I got gnocchi because they said they had gluten-free gnocchi, which is very unusual and unexpected. So I ordered the gnocchi with truffle. This is another traditional Dalmatian dessert with bananas and a little bit of pepper on top. And Ryan got ice cream with chocolate sauce. Baisa? We just had dinner and walking back to our hotel room. And we got pink skies. Sunset's really pretty.
Good morning.
You know it's a nice view when Ryan's taking a photo.
I had breakfast, so I feel great.
We woke up, had breakfast at the hotel, and we're
Had
taking
coffee, had a shit. We're ready. We're empty.
And then we're gonna take a little walk up to the fortress to get some nice views. So hopefully it's not a strenuous walk. This is our view so far. The ocean's still beautiful today. We're surviving the hike so far. Not too bad. Nice and shaded. It's not shaded here. We made it to the fortress, which was first built in 1278.
Good memory.
We made it to the top.
Yeah. Cool.
Little window.
Someone's coming up to get an arrow.
Like in the movies.
But that's what you build the fort for, right? This
Yeah.
is where you peep out and shoot people with arrows.
That's true. Ryan's trying to get skinny as possible so he won't show up in the video. But everyone can see you, babe. Everyone can see you. There's a cannon.
Yeah.
Seems like this one was built in 1808. You get the whole view of the place. We are at the top of the fortress of Hvar. We get a nice view, but it is hot. It's not even 11 in the morning, I don't think, but it's super hot already. Thank you for filming for me, Ryan. So Ryan, what did you just say?
I say you sound like one of those pugs when you're walking down the stairs.
Because I'm panting? That sounds like a Twitchy, man.
Oh, sorry. I meant you sound like you're just gently out of breath in a very pretty way.
A pretty way. At the pool. Ryan's putting on sunscreen. I can't wait to get a frozen rosé. I'm drinking frozen rosé. We're gonna get Thai massages.
I've never done one before.
This is the beach in front of our hotel. This is like a swimming pool on the beach. Look at this watercolor. Can't get over this.
So beautiful.
Oh. We spent a full day at the pool and the beach today.
No. Might be more like 95% of the pool,
Yeah,
5% of the beach.
we got really tanned.
Got some serious sun. I tried to learn how to float.
Fail.
I don't know. I would say that there was forward progress at least.
So optimistic of you. And now we're gonna head to dinner. I don't know if you can see, but the sunlight's hitting the water and it's glistening. Maybe next time, if we ever come back, we should get one of those nice boats. Like a nice yacht.
I think if we have more time,
Uh-huh.
then we can do it.
Yeah.
'Cause I think you would have been too tired today.
Yeah.
And these two are like for one person, and this one is special because it doesn't have that much meat, so it can also be for one person.
These are for the water. Good. Good.
Ryan got sea bream, catch of the day. Of course, we ordered a side of fries.
For me.
And mine is a traditional dish. It's a fish stew in olive oil and potatoes.
Nice one. Try this. Hope there's no bone. Oops. Bone?
Good.
Good, right?
Ryan got gelato. They didn't have pistachio today, so
I
sad
got
face.
hazelnut and dark chocolate.
Still good? The dark chocolate looks really dark chocolate. This is our last night here. Watching the sunset from our room. The clouds are really pretty today.
I know. They're really puffy.
Uh-huh. Zoom into the clouds. They look like marshmallows.
They do. They do.
Good night. Good night.